Intext operator. Intext operator is used to extract text. In other words, intext operator is used to find particular word or phrase from a web page. So let's see this example. How will you write intext operator in Google? So first type intext, then type colon, then type phrase or term. Remember that there should be no space between colon and the search term or the term. Here, after this colon, there should be no space. Also before this colon, there should be no space. Let's see this example. In this example, we are searching from the website of Stanford University about an article regarding legal technology, and the article must have the word artificial intelligence in it. So let me show you in Google. So let me copy the example from here only, then paste it in the Google. So let me paste it. So let me explain you what I have done here. I have typed site, then type colon, and then type name of the website. So there should be no space before the colon or after the colon. Then I have given space. Then I have used double quote and type legal technology word in it. Then I have given space. Then I have typed intext operator, that is intext, then colon, then artificial intelligence. Again, there should be no space after the colon or before the colon. So basically, through this search, I am searching from the website of Stanford University article regarding legal technology, and the article must have the word artificial intelligence in it. So let me press enter. So you can see this is the website of Stanford University, and this has a artificial intelligence word in it, and it is about legal technology. We can again see here legal technology, artificial intelligence, Stanford University. Again, legal technology, artificial intelligence, Stanford. Stanford, artificial intelligence, legal technology. Legal technology, artificial intelligence, Stanford. Stanford, artificial intelligence, legal technology. Legal technology, artificial intelligence, Stanford. Legal technology, artificial intelligence, legal technology, Stanford. Stanford, legal technology, artificial intelligence. Stanford, legal technology and artificial intelligence. So if you click on any of this link, it will have an article related to legal technology, and it will have definitely word artificial intelligence in it. Let's click on the first link. You can see this is the article about legal technology, and let me show you whether it has artificial intelligence word in it or not. So press Ctrl plus F, then type artificial now you can see there are total 5 artificial intelligence word in it. Let's click one by one. So we are done the first one. This is the artificial intelligence. Then click on the next artificial intelligence, then next artificial intelligence, then next. So by saying Intext artificial intelligence, we are forcing it to be on the page. Finally, in this example, I have shown you how powerful Intext operator is, especially when we are unable to get the relevant result. For example, when we want particular word on the page. So by using Intext operator, we can force Google to get the relevant result.